Hello, everybody. I'm very happy to meet you again. We are going to summarize the treatment of our patient. We are going to go back to our patient. We recommend a whole process to follow. I think that if he applied it will solve the anemia progress. Welcome to Objectif Santé, your well-being channel, which will help us to discover the anemia, the cases of anemia, and how to avoid it. Then, Dr. Noti last or will help our patient to stop his progressive anemia right now and to recover if he follows our recommendations. What are that recommendations? Firstly, it is the drying up of the source of overload. What does that say? We must stop the causes that contributed to his anemia. He may be a big consumer of coffee. The caffeine of certain coffee makes it difficult for our body to assimilate ferrous elements. It can't be the consumption of certain mineral waters. We found in those waters too much magnesium, too much zinc. Those excess can prevent the entry of iron into the body, production of blood in the bones. Pay attention to your very mineralized water. We add element to it. It's no longer natural. It's very dangerous. Those water are dangerous for us. They are made by human beings. First, cigarette. There are no nutrients in our cigarette, smoke. So it's no use to use them. I don't know why exactly we are smoking. The smoke will destroy the cells, the blood cells, when you smoke. They are dangerous, and that can be the cause. First, alcohol. You should not destroy the cells with alcohol. Alcohol destroys our red blood cells. Alcohol destroys our kidney. Alcohol destroys our liver. Those organs participate in production of our blood. Their organs participate for our health. So when you describe them with alcohol, you may be waiting for the causes of your destruction. 50. Overworked. Rest your body. It is during your rest that your cells repair themselves. You chose a day and you don't eat at all. When there is nothing to eat, to digest, your organism have enough time to repair the cells, the damaged cells. So have a fast some time. For instance, once a week, that can help you to resolve the pernicious sickness in our cells. If you find one of these reasons in our patient, we will rule it out and we'll show how to repair the quantity of the red blood disease. Second stage of treatment, we will review its nutritional regime. Here, will give just one example, only one example that can help us. Here we have a dish of spinach. We have orange juice and we have wheatmeal bread. The spinach dish or salad is very rich in vegetable ions. There are many and several nutrients inside. Second, orange juice has a lot of vitamin C and calcium, and those will facilitate the assimilation of the ions which we took in the spinach dish or salad. First, we have the wheatmeal bread. Wheatmeal bread has the ferrous elements also, and mineral salt essential to restore our blood, to regenerate our blood. When you eat that food once a day, you will repair yourself step by step. If you have no threat of anemia, once a day is more than enough. We add other treatment to our patient. We will say add spirulina to a panel of orange juice. This will boost the cells. This will repair the damaged cells, and it will help him to recover. We had Stanemie oral suspension, for example, or compresses Stanemia, or Stanemie in the sachet. In the case of our patient, it's the bone which does not produce enough blood. We take care of these bones. We give the medicine, we can help our bone to recover themselves. And if our bones are recovered, they will produce the ingredient that the healthy bones need to produce blood. Since the healed bones produce sufficient blood, our person is now carried. Happy healing to all. See you for our video. Thank you very much. I see you for the other topic.